We had a exciting rare bird this November of 2020 at Fountain Creek Regional Park, a female Bay-breasted Warbler. This is a warbler that is far west of its typical fall range. Adults migrate west of the Appalachian Mountains down into Central America. And this one decided to stop at our Fountain Creek hotspot, which is a wastewater treatment plant that has warm water and maintains midges in the winter. And we have had pine warblers here, American Woodcock, and the outflow of the stream that stays warm and doesn't freeze during the winter. So it's always a good spot for us to look for interesting winter birds that might stick around. So this bird was busily feeding on the midges on the walls of the wastewater treatment tank, and then would spend time in the trees resting. And you'll be able to see some photos of the pictures. And Bay-breasted Warbler was not the only bird taking advantage of this. We also had chickadees and white-breasted nuthatches, and I believe some ruby-crowned kinglets also. So enjoy the midges on the wall behind the black-capped chickadee, and enjoy the photos of the Bay-breasted Warbler and the videos of her with my new Canon R6 mirrorless camera with an RF 100-500. I had amazing views of this little girl bird who has been spending the last couple of days here fattening up and delighting all the birders who are already dreading winter and the lack of colorful birds until spring comes again. So enjoy.